Is your home a battleground against dust bunnies and deeply embedded pet hair? Do you yearn for a cleaning weapon that conquers carpets and crusades against grime? Prepare to unleash the Shark Rocket Pro DLX. This review isn't for the faint of clean. We're diving deep into the features, functions, and potential drawbacks of this corded stick vacuum, helping you decide if it's the ultimate soldier in your fight for a sparkling home. Can the Shark Rocket Pro DLX truly transform you into a cleaning commando, or will it leave you yearning for a more maneuverable ally? Let's suit up and find out. Champion of deep cleaning, powering through carpets and beyond, the Shark Rocket Pro DLX boasts impressive cleaning power, especially on carpets. Its 500 watts of power ensure deep cleaning, effectively tackling dirt, debris, and even deeply embedded pet hair. This makes it a great option for pet owners or those with heavily carpeted homes. Transforming hero. From stick vacuum to handheld in a flash, versatility is the name of the game with the Shark Rocket Pro DLX. It seamlessly transforms from a stick vacuum for cleaning floors to a handheld vacuum, perfect for tackling furniture upholstery, tight spaces, stairs, car interiors, and other above-floor messes. This versatility allows you to clean a wider range of surfaces without needing a separate vacuum cleaner. XL capacity for extended cleaning sessions. The Shark Rocket Pro DLX features a large 0.68 quart dust cup. This XL capacity allows for extended cleaning sessions without frequent emptying, ideal for larger homes or those with a lot of dust and debris to tackle. Effortless maneuvering and hidden dirt hunters. The Shark Rocket Pro DLX features a combination of features designed for an easier cleaning experience. Advanced swivel steering. Effortlessly maneuver around furniture and navigate tight spaces with smooth swivel steering. Low-profile design. The low-profile design allows the vacuum to reach under furniture with ease, ensuring a more thorough cleaning. LED headlights. Built-in LED headlights illuminate dark corners and under furniture, revealing hidden dirt and pet hair that might otherwise be missed. A feast of attachments for targeted cleaning. The Shark Rocket Pro DLX comes with a variety of attachments to tackle specific cleaning tasks. Crevice tool. Perfect for reaching into tight spaces like corners, baseboards, and between couch cushions. Upholstery tool designed to remove dust, pet hair, and allergens from furniture upholstery. Anti-allergen dust brush, ideal for cleaning delicate surfaces like blinds, shelves, and lampshades, capturing dust and allergens without scratching. The final verdict, a powerful option for deep cleaning. The Shark Rocket Pro DLX corded stick vacuum offers a powerful and versatile cleaning solution for deep cleaning carpets and tackling dirt and pet hair on various surfaces. The XL dust cup, transforming functionality, and various attachments make it a great option for a variety of cleaning tasks. Ultimately, the Shark Rocket Pro DLX could be a strong contender for pet owners or those with heavily carpeted homes who prioritize deep cleaning power and a large dust cup capacity. Those in smaller homes with a strong preference for cordless options or who require a super lightweight vacuum might want to consider alternative models. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.